Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return F&O only way. Start by categorizing your activity as business, speculative, or non-speculative, and choose presumptive or regular accounting accordingly. Reconcile your contract notes with brokerage statements and calculate realized gains, losses, and mark-to-market adjustments. Maintain separate ledgers for F&O, report interest and commissions, and claim deductions responsibly. File using ITR forms that accept business income and attach required schedules. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return F&O only way. Keep a consistent record-keeping habit with daily trade entries and month-end summaries to compute turnover and mark-to-market correctly. Reconcile every contract note with your broker statement to avoid discrepancies and preserve evidence. Categorize expenses like brokerage, SDT, exchange fees, and interest to claim allowable deductions and lower taxable income legitimately. Backup files and maintain ledgers for at least the statutory period. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return F&O only way. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping so you spend less time cleaning and more time checking trades. If this helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel and catch more tips. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to file income tax return F&O only way. Determine whether your trading is business or speculative to pick the correct ITR form and tax treatment. Calculate gross turnover, adjust for expenses including brokerage and interest, and apply mark-to-market where required to determine net income or loss. Check whether you owe advance tax and pay quarterly to avoid interest, and ensure all figures match your audited books if applicable before submitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.